So it's Sunday, the 29th of December 2024, and we have just started zone 2 training. So we're going to be jogging slow, average heartbeat around 140. Basically, normally what I do with my runs is I go for 10 miles, average heart rate around 171, get a speed around 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's around 9 minutes a mile. And my fastest 5km, which was 3 miles, was 21 minutes and 50 seconds. But now what we've done, we've switched it up. We've started zone 2 training. It's quite hard because you want to start jogging faster because I'm jogging really slow. I think the first mile was like 10 minutes, second mile was like 11 or 12 minutes, and the third mile was like 13 minutes. On my average heartbeat at 140. I've done 3.5 miles so far, time of around 42 minutes. So it's really slow where I can run 3 miles in like 21 minutes and 50 seconds. But we're going nice and slow, steady pace, get the stamina up, get the endurance up. I've noticed when I talk on my phone, look, my heart rate's just gone to 150. So when I talk on the phone, heart rate goes up. See, I'm breathing now, breathing more heavy there. Before I wasn't, it was a steady pace. So I'm gonna have to get off the phone because it's messing my workout up. See you soon. I'm now on, coming up to the 7th mile. Heart rate average is 139. I've recently found out about this zone 2 training, where you basically jog at a steady heart rate, average under 140. So my average heart rate is 139, and you just do a steady pace. And what it does, it builds your endurance, builds your stamina up. You can hold a conversation, so I'm not really out of breath. But I'm coming up to the 7th mile now. And it's just basically jogging, so slow. Keep that heart rate under 140. See, it's gone a bit high to 142, that's because I'm on the phone talking. Last mile was 13 minutes 42 seconds, so nice and slow. I trained legs yesterday in the gym and they were aching so bad I thought, I don't know how I'm going to jog. But literally doing the zone 2 training, 7th mile, and they're all good, they're all steady.
And there we have it, I've finished 8 miles, slow time, but it was an average of 139. Now let's go and cook some food. So we've got salmon, eggs, avocado on sourdough with beans with no added sugar. And that food should fuel the workout we just did. So here's me, weighing in at 70 kilograms. I've been cutting for around 6 months now. I've lost 14 kg as I was 84 kilograms. I've got around 10 days left of the cut and then I will start the lean bulk. So follow me on my journey and subscribe for more videos.